Hi there! At the end of this tutorial, we will get to know how to set up, check, and delete your custom email account on iPhone. My name is Alice from StormerHost. Let's get started. Let's begin with how to set up the email account on your iPhone. Select Settings from your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Mail. The Mail Settings page opens. Tap on Accounts. You'll be directed to the Accounts page. Then select Add Account. Tap on Other below the Outlook.com. In the Mail section, tap on the Add Mail Account. A window pops open with the title New Account. Please provide the requested details in the fields provided. That is, the name on the account, email, password, and description. The name I will be using is shostdemo. This can be any name you want to use. Email, info@shostdemo.com. Password and description as shostdemo. On your upper right, tap on Next to proceed. You'll be directed to the New Account page. Make sure IMAP is selected. Provide the required details for the incoming mail server and outgoing mail server. Enter the host or server name. In my case, mail.shostdemo.com. Your host or server name will be mail.yourdomainname.com. So if your domain name is abcd.com, enter mail.abcd.com. The username, that is your email address. I will enter mine, info@shostdemo.com, and my password. Now, details for the outgoing mail server. Host or server name beginning with mail. As we did for the first one, and continue the rest of the fields. Username and email can be left as they are optional for this section. On your upper right, tap on Next to proceed. Please wait for the verification to complete. Tap on the Save on your upper right corner to add the account. My account name, shostdemo, can be seen in the list of existing accounts. Email setup successful. The second part, checking email. Select Mail from your home screen. Tap on the account name, in my case, shostdemo. This directs you to the inbox page of your account. You get to see and check all your received mails here. The final part, deleting email account. Select Settings from your home screen. Scroll down and select Mail. The Mail page opens. Select Accounts and tap on the name of the email account you want to delete. Tap on the Delete Account. A pop-up appears. Tap on the Delete Account again to confirm you want to delete. Account deleted successfully. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.